Hi everyone, good to have you here again. Today I'll be sharing how to achieve a very delicious Niger jollof rice when you don't have fresh tomatoes. Maybe due to scarcity of fresh tomatoes or no fresh tomatoes in your fridge, no problem. You can still make your jollof rice. Join me. Let's create some magic. We'll start by cooking the protein. Here I'm using about 1 kg of chicken, cut into pieces and well cleaned. Place them in a pan. 1 teaspoon thyme, 1 teaspoon rosemary, 1 teaspoon mix seasoning, 1 teaspoon oregano, half tablespoon curry powder, 1 tablespoon chicken seasoning, a few pieces of bay leaf, 3 stock cubes, half tablespoon salt, half cup onions, 1 tablespoon ground fresh ginger, 2 tablespoons ground fresh pepper. Mix it very well. Don't add any liquid at this stage. Cover and allow it to simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now we stir and add 2 cups of water, then allow it to cook until the chicken is well done. The chicken is well cooked now. Remove it from the heat. We'll be frying the chicken. So into a dry hot pot, pour in about 2 cups vegetable oil. Allow it to heat. Add the cooked chicken and fry until it is golden brown. Remove the chicken from the oil. Now reduce the oil. Take out about 3/4 cup of the oil. Add 1 cup chopped onion. Stir and allow it to saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now add about 1 cup tomato paste and allow to cook very well for about 5 to 8 minutes, stirring intervally to avoid burning. Add half tablespoon thyme, half tablespoon rosemary, 1 teaspoon everything mix seasoning, 1 tablespoon curry powder. Stir very well. Allow to simmer for about 2 minutes. Then add the finely blended pepper mix. Stir, cover and allow it to continue simmering for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now add the stock from the chicken. add 4 stock cubes of chicken seasoning, 1 tablespoon of salt. Stir very well. Let it continue to simmer for another 10 minutes. Now we'll add the thoroughly washed rice. Stir. Add some hot boiling water, enough to cook the rice. Stir it very well to mix it all together. Cover and allow to cook on a medium heat for about 25 minutes. Keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn. At this stage, we'll add some chopped onions, cover with a foil. Reduce the heat to the lowest and let it stand for about 10 minutes, and our food will be ready to be served. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss a video when I upload. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this or when you do try it. Now there you have it, a yummy peppered Nigerian jollof rice. Another delicious meal from my kitchen to yours. Thank you for watching today. See you in my next video. Bye.